right? All right, friends, go ahead and turn the page. Turn the page. Yes.
Isn't there other guns that maybe she's just a midget?
What?
Isn't there other guns that different size?
Yeah. I mean, not everybody has the same shoe size, okay? Fairy tales, friends, fairy tales. What are some characteristics of fairy tales? We have 3 bullet points underneath there. So we're going to read the story today called A Modern Cinderella. A Modern Cinderella, and it is a fairy tale. But a fairy tale is different than a nonfiction story. A fairy tale is different than, informational text. What are some characteristics of a fairy tale? What's one of them, Kaylin?
It has a made-up setting such as Once Upon a Time.
Okay. How many of you can think of fairy tales that start off Once Upon a Time? I know Shrek starts off that way. I know Shrek's a fairy tale because they have talking donkeys and it starts off Once Upon a Time. Beauty and the Beast. Okay. Cinderella starts off with Once Upon a Time. I think Tangled does too. Okay. What's a second characteristic? What's a second characteristic of a fairy tale? Akira? Well, most stories end with the end. It might end with the end. What's the second bullet point there in our story or in our books?
A prince or princess and a magical character.
A prince, a princess, and magical characters. Think about Cinderella. They had talking mice.
Yeah, and there was on Shrek.
I'll get that taken care of later. Just use a paper towel for now. And our third bullet point, Cole, will you read that for us, please? It has illustrations. It has nice, pretty pictures for us to look at. Okay? We're also going to be talking about similes and metaphors. How many of you know what a simile is? I know what a simile is. Sam, how do you know if it's a simile?
A simile starts with like.
It has the word like or as in it, comparing two things, right? Okay, so, let me think.